All right, the previous video captures a little bit about what's happening with why you might have extraneous and the fact that it happens. And so now we need to just be cautious as we get our answers. So I am introducing a squared term here that I didn't used to have by undoing this. Now I do need to be careful with this. This is x minus 2 times x minus 2, which gives us that. So let's simplify. Let's also move over that one and also move over that one. So we have x squared. This is what? Minus 5x. And this is plus 6. So minus 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 is 5 and 2 plus 3. I'm sorry, 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So we end up getting 2 as an answer and 3 as an answer. Now let's go ahead and look and see if that's true or not. So we can delete these. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the square root of x minus 2. And then I'm going to put in, this is simply x minus 2. So there's my square root graph. Here's my other graph. And it looks like, ooh, that's going to be tricky. It looks like it definitely crosses at 2. I don't know what happens at 3, so let's go ahead and look at the table and see what happens. Oh, I need to go into table set and go to auto. Let's start at, all right, let's go back to table now. And let's see, at 2, they are both equal, and at 3, they are both equal. So both of those are just fine in terms of the answers. All right, let's go ahead and look at this one here. We're going to square both sides. So this ends up getting 2x minus 5 equals x plus 1. That should be nice and pretty. Put the x's over here. Put the numbers over here. X equals 6. That doesn't seem to be a problem. This is what? 12 minus 5 is 7. And this is 6 plus 1 is 7. So sure enough, those look totally equal to each other. All right, so let's look at 11. So for 11, I need to get this by itself first. And then I can go ahead and undo it. Just like absolute value, you've got to get it alone first before you undo it. So we have x equals, this one is very similar to this one here. You need to multiply it back out. So you get x squared minus 6x minus 6x plus 36. And then we're going to put everything onto one side. So this is negative 12 and another negative x would be negative 13x. And that would be what? 36 and negative 13, that would be what, 9 and 4. So we get x minus 9, x minus 4. So we get our answers of 4 and 9. Now let's go ahead and look at this one here. Putting them in. Whoops. And one side is just x. That's nice. Oopsies. There we go. And the other one is 6 plus square root of x. So for the graph, here is my x. Here is my square root of x plus 6. It looks like it's only hitting at one place. It looks like it's only hitting at this 9 here. Let's go ahead and look at our table. So at 4, they are not at the same place. And at 9, it is at the same place. So 9 is our spot, that they are indeed equal to each other. So 4 is considered an extraneous solution.